Welcome to the world of ChatGPT and the potential it holds for creating wealth. I'm excited to share with you the incredible opportunities that ChatGPT presents for those who are willing to take action and seize them. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language processing model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to understand and generate human-like text, making it a powerful tool for a variety of industries and applications. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other AI models is its ability to create highly accurate and natural-sounding text, opening up new possibilities for wealth creation. The key to creating wealth with ChatGPT is understanding its capabilities and how to leverage them for profit. It can be used for content creation, copywriting, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, stock trading, and much more. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for profit is tremendous. But as with any opportunity, the key to success is taking action. The world is changing rapidly, and those who are willing to adapt and evolve will be the ones who succeed. ChatGPT is a game changer, and those who are willing to learn how to use it will have a significant advantage over those who don't. It's easy to get started. Just head over to ChatGPT, begin experimenting with its capabilities. Once you get started, you'll quickly realize that ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be easily mastered with the right mindset and approach. And remember, as with any new opportunity, it's important to have a clear plan and strategy in place. Without a plan, you'll be easily overwhelmed and may miss out on the incredible potential that ChatGPT holds for creating wealth. So if you're ready to take action and seize the opportunity that ChatGPT presents, let's get started.